بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين.
The disbelievers. This surah is Maki and comprises 6 ayat, verses. With the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, the Very Merciful. Say, O disbelievers, I do not worship that which you worship, nor do you worship the one whom I worship. Once a group of pagans from the tribe of Quraysh suggested to the Holy Prophet ﷺ that they are prepared to worship his God along with the co-gods they already worshipped. Similarly, he should worship the co-gods along with Allah, and thus a common ground would be created between them. The present surah was revealed to refute such suggestions, and it was declared that no compromise is possible on the basis of accepting a false notion. It is also clarified that their offer to worship Allah is no more than a deceitful move, because Allah's worship actually means that he should be worshipped to the exclusion of all others. This is the sense conveyed by verse 3, nor do you worship the one whom I worship. Although the pagans worshipped Allah, but as they joined the false deities in their worship, it was not recognized as Allah's worship. And neither I am going to worship that which you have worshipped. Verses 2 and 3 speak of the present position, while verses 4 and 5 declare that the position will remain the same for all times to come in future, because their formula is not acceptable at all. Nor will you worship the one whom I worship, for you is your faith, and for me, my faith. This is not a license given to them to continue with their false faith. Instead, it is an expression to reject their suggestion, which means that such a compromise being unacceptable. You are responsible for what you do, while I am responsible for what I do.